Okay, so solving some multi-step equations. So like I said, we're going to write down several steps that we're going to follow together. So here we go. So step number one, let's go ahead and list the steps. And so the first step, and they should be done in this order, is to distribute. That's it. Distribute if you can. And all of these are if you can, by the way. And the first few steps, sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. So after you distribute, second step. The second step is combine like terms on each side of the equal sign. So I'm just going to say combine like terms on each side, or either side, let's say. Because sometimes you may need to combine like terms on the left side of the equal sign and nothing on the right side, or vice versa, or sometimes on both. Okay? The third step we actually won't look at until tomorrow, but this is the order it comes in. It's usually the third thing we have to do. We're going to say remove the variable from either side, or from one side. Remove the variable from one side of the equal sign. So I'm just going to say from one side. And that's a kind of a special step we won't explore until later. Not today. But this is the place where we would do that. It's usually the third thing we do. Okay? And usually if we've done everything correctly, excuse me, we have two more steps left. Okay, so the fourth step, at this point we would probably have a two-step equation. So at this point we would remove a constant, or remove the constant, with addition or subtraction. Okay. And then the final step is going to be remove the coefficient, with multiplication or division. Okay. So that's going to be the laundry list we're going to follow to solve these equations. Okay? Any questions? All right. I'll let you finish writing that up. I see a couple people looking up and then writing. Yes. Let's finish the note and then I'll let people go. Okay. So, okay, here we go. Number one, let's solve. And the first equation we're going to solve is the following: 2 parentheses 5x plus 9 equals 48. Okay? And we'll basically follow these steps. Izzy, guys, take up the hooks. Carlos, thank you. All right, let's distribute like so. And we get 2 times 5x and 2 times 9. All right, so if we're running down our list, yes, we did have to distribute, right? Take a look at the next step. Combine like terms. Can I combine like terms? No. Like I said, that third step won't be something we have to worry about today, so we won't look at that. Then we have to remove the constant, the 18. So if you've done everything correctly, at this point, we get rid of a constant, which is, in this case, 18. Because we should be able to recognize this as a two-step equation. And we have, what, 30? And then divide by, and we get an answer of 3. So this is the solution for this equation. X is 3. Okay. Pretty basic, not too difficult way to start this. Let's do a second one. Like I said, we have 4. Negative 30 equals 6 parentheses x minus 10 Okay, this is the last example where we will be practicing distributing negatives. So just be ready for that. So first question, do we distribute? Yeah, we got parentheses, we distribute. Let's do that now. So negative 30 is 6x minus 60. And at this point, since we don't have variables on both sides, we don't have to combine on this one. We'll just add 60. And then negative 30 and 60. Thank you. And that's 30, and it's equal to 6x. And we'll get 5. Okay. This is kind of our warm-up. Okay. Let's try a couple more. So this one has a little more stuff in it. Five times the quantity, negative 2x, take away 1, minus 5x, plus 2 is the same as 27. Okay? Write that one down. Definitely has more. Okay. So let's see. What's our first move? Distribute. If you see parentheses, we will distribute. We'll explore the exceptions to this in other lessons, but definitely here we want to distribute. let's see, that's 5 times negative 2x. That's negative 10x. And then minus 5 minus 5x plus 2 equals 27. All right. So we distributed. Take a look at our steps. Yeah. We do have to, does everyone see there are some like terms we can combine? We can definitely combine x terms. Let's see. So I've got negative 10x and negative 5x. I'll put those together. What else combines? Yeah. I got that negative 5 and that 2. I'm going to just color code them and box them in to make sure I don't make any mistakes. So let's start combining. Let's start with x's. We'll combine negative 10 and negative 5. That's negative 15x. And then if I combine the negative 5 and the positive 2, what do I get? Yeah, negative 3. So I shall write it as take away 3 equals 27. Isaiah, you're writing this down? Yeah.
How'd you get 15?
The negative 10 and the negative 5. The minus signs in front assigned to that. That's how we get the negative 15. That's one of the reasons I like to do the little boxes. Capture that minus sign in front or that plus sign in front. Reminds me if I'm dealing with a negative or a positive. Okay. All right, now we got a two-step equation. So let's get rid of our 3. And we get negative 15x. Oh, I haven't gotten there yet. I think you're right. All right. 30 divided by negative 15. Negative 2. So we got negative 2 as our answer. Okay. So that was a lot of steps, guys. Any questions? Okay. We got one more. All right. So if you're ready, I'm going to write it down. And this one is negative 4 times the quantity negative 5x plus 2. Take away 3x. Take away 5 equals negative 30. Okay. Go ahead and write that down. And guess what we're going to start with? Distributing. This time we got to be a little careful, guys. We're distributing negative. Let's see. Yes. So the first one is negative 4. Think of that as, well, it is negative 5. So it's positive 20x. Then it's negative 4 times positive 2. So that's going to be minus 8. Minus 3x minus 5 equals negative 30. Okay. So now, looking at our list, we have to combine like terms on either side. Well, we only got really the left side of the equation to worry about today. We'll have other equations where we have stuff on both sides to worry about, but that's on another day. So let's see. Let's combine your x's, 20x and negative 3x. What else do we have? 8 and 5. So negative 8 and negative 5. Okay. So let's see. 20 and negative 3. That's going to be 17x. And if we add negative 8 and negative 5, that's minus or negative 13. Check my math on that. Is that good? Okay. Let's solve the rest of it. By this point, it's easy street, hopefully, for all of us. Get rid of the 13.
So it's what?
Well, I'm going to get negative 17. So yeah, negative 1 though, right? So we get x equals negative 17 divided by positive 17, negative 1. Okay. So this is what we're going to be working on delta. Types of equations similar to these. I want you to get comfortable with this process. Distribute, combine like terms. Like I said, we don't have to worry about getting the variable on one side today. And then, the rest of the steps. All right. So we'll work on that.